Good day, everybody. Kurt with Cruisin Classics here. Introducing a pretty polo green metallic, 62,000 actual mile, 1991 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible. That polo green is a very cool color. Very easy to maneuver, manual convertible top. Easy on, easy off. Beautiful contrasting color inside as well to the green. This is an automatic, 350 automatic. Corvette aluminum wheels on all fours, four-wheel disc brakes. There's under the hood. She starts right up. Looks great going down the road. Kind of tough to see this color in real life, but it is a gorgeous color. Very easy to drive. Has a luggage rack on the back. You can even put your clubs back there for the polo green color. Has a brand new battery. She's ready for the road right now. Very cool dash. Hang out the end of the video. You'll be able to see the still pictures that I have of this car, of the interior, the undercarriage. A little bit better the engine compartment as well. And we have this priced very, very fairly. Has a clean Carfax. We don't have anything other than clean Carfax cars. Very cool 1991 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible, painted in polo green metallic, and she is ready for the road right now for not a lot of money. You could be on the road in a nice classic car. Make sure you hang out the end of the video. Check out all the stills that I have. Also, please check us out on Facebook and Instagram. And please also subscribe to us on YouTube. We sure would appreciate it. We have a bunch of cool cars. You would not be disappointed. CruisinClassicsInc.com is our website. 614-276-7355 is our phone number. Give us a call. We'll be glad to help out in any way that we can. And as always, thank you from all of us at Cruisin Classics.